this is the 6th month of the year 2024. All right, you have another 6 months to remain the way you are or change your level. What do I mean by that? Now let's think of this. For every amount, for every transfer somebody did to you, for every money you received, somebody paid you for something. Have you noticed that you are being paid for what you know? Reason it. You are being paid for what you know, or that is the services you render to somebody, apart from selling something to somebody. Okay, whatever service you render to somebody and you get paid, you are being paid because you learned that thing, you know that thing. So now, if you are not earning that amount of money you want for the past years that has gone till this moment, it is because what you know is not enough to earn you to that point you are. Now, why not invest this complete 6 months that is in front of you now in learning a tangible something that will change your 2025? Unless maybe you want your 2025 to be as good as the 2024. There is no way your level will change if you don't change what you know. Kung Fu Panda, I love watching Kung Fu Panda. Master Shifu said, if you only do what you can do, you will never be more than you are now. Let me repeat that statement. If you only do what you can do, you will never be more than you are now. So what does it mean? It means learn new skill, unlearn, relearn. There are skills that can pay you up to $1,000 a month. The problem is that, are you patient enough to learn them? And the good news is that you can even learn them for free. For every course you want to learn, there is someone that has taught it on YouTube for free. But the problem is that we are lazy. And because of financial problem, you want to stick to that one you know and be earning a living. There is a difference between earning a living and making a fortune. Making a fortune is you learn something. While you are learning it, you may go broke and hungry. I have a friend that is this guy is working in a place, they pay him 35,000 a month. 35,000 a month. Now he was my classmate. He studied statistics while I studied mathematics. Now something happened 2020 during lockdown. That was the breakthrough of this guy's life. During that lockdown, he took his time and started learning data analysis, how to analyze data from Excel to the other data analysis app, regression, correlation, and the rest of them. And I bet you, after that 2020, I saw this guy 2021. I was like, is this you? What happened? He said, data analysis happened to me. Why? What happened? Now, recently, I think the last time I spoke to him, he said he got a job with, I think, I've forgotten the name of the bank. And what he does is he analyzes the data for them, and then he goes home. Guess how much they pay him? Can you tell us on the comment section how much they pay him for that particular? He doesn't stay there. He's not like other workers on what's it called, in the bank that will just sit there from morning till night. No, it's only he comes, he analyzes the data. In fact, sometimes they send the data to him. He will tell them what to send. They will send it. He will be at the comfort of his house, analyze the data, send it back to them. They pay him his school cash. And now he has started training other people on data analysis, and he's making his money. Every week he has a training for particular people. Every week I do see his advice, his adverts on our WhatsApp group. So what about you? There is something for you to learn. During my NYC period, somebody taught me Rubik's Cube, a game. That game that they used to turn around, Rubik's Cube. I'll show you the picture of Rubik's Cube in this video. This Rubik's Cube now, how to set this thing. When this guy was teaching me this thing, it was a play. I wasn't taking it serious. It was just a game, learning a game. Do you know that that game paid me after learning it? A particular school contacted me to start teaching their people, their students, how to solve that Rubik's Cube. Guess how much they paid me? I won't tell you. So start learning something today. If you are the type of person that plays game, learn how to play game very well. If you are the type of person, in fact, look for something online to learn. The major money is in the online space. And the problem you are not making that money is that you are not willing to learn. And I tell you, whatever you want to learn, you don't even need to have money. You don't even need to pay anybody. It's on YouTube. Type it. In fact, let me tell you another secret that will help you. You know that WhatsApp brought AI that you can use to search anything. WhatsApp has search engine now. So you can ask WhatsApp a question. Maybe you want to learn data analysis. Ask WhatsApp, what are the courses I need to learn to become a professional data analysis? What are the topics I need to learn? Or what are, like, ask them the question. They will list out how it's going to be, step by step method you need to learn it. Then maybe they will say learn what's it called, Excel first, then head over to learning this one. So anyone they mention to you, then carry it to the YouTube, search it on YouTube. You will see somebody that did a very nice job explaining that thing very well, and then you will learn it. Even the equipment you need, the apps you need, ask it on that AI, or use your chat GPT to ask it. They will give it. Everything is now easy. The only problem is that we are lazy. You are lazy to learn. But once you are not lazy to learn, you are hardworking. After learning, I bet you 2025 will be the best year of your life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We love you.